If you don't follow my Twitter, or else you haven't been with my channel for a while, you probably know I redid my room. I'll have my previous room tour that I did last September linked below in the description. So without further ado, let's get on to this new room tour and let's see what's changed. First, let's open it. And now, first obvious difference that you'll notice is that I painted my door. Or my parents painted the door, but that's not really anything too big. As you can tell, voila! So here I've got like some paint and such. Normally my bookshelf would be here. Then I've got the gross cat stuff area, you know. And I think over here I've got my closet, which is currently filled with all sorts of crap right now. And my first teddy bear that I had when I was born. Rowdy, get out. Okay, let me just get the door closed. We're back and we've just got basic stuff. But over here is actually where I display all my Apple boxes. So right here I've got the box to my 2010 MacBook Pro along with a box for my few of my iPads, iPad 4 box which I display up front, Apple Pencil box. I've got my iPhone 3GS box, 5S box, 6 box, 8 Plus box, and 2 11 Pro boxes. And then I've got a street sign that I got a long time ago that I got several years ago as a birthday present because I used to love road signs back then. And then if we go over here, we've got my bed with orangey on it. And then I've got Rowdy on my nightstand along with Stormy. And I've actually got a lamp this time. Around that, I've just got my nightstand drawers. I actually store my Apple devices in that, but you'll see where I store them in a minute. So here is one of my cats, Frankie, here along with the nice little cat tree here that my parents just got a couple days ago. They don't seem to be using it a whole lot though. And over here I've got all my school stuff. And then over here I come to my desk where there's first all my school stuff, along with the pen. And they just knocked over something. Over here I've got my most popular device on my channel, my desktop, along with my keyboard that I just unboxed, and my mouse which I reviewed a few months back. Now over here we've got the same old lamp. This is a new desk, by the way. It's L-shaped. It's a wireless charger and it has different tones. Along with a timer on it. And then here I've got my LED light that used to be on my nightstand. I used to have it changing colors all the time. Now over here I've got my pencil sharpener and my Echo Dot 2nd generation, which is currently not plugged in, along with my surge protector and my Wi-Fi booster, which isn't that great. Then over here I've got a fan because I have to sleep with my fan on. And here I've actually got my new dresser, which is actually my new device storage solution. Well, for some of my devices, some of them still store on my bookshelf. So here I've got some of the non-Apple stuff, along with some cables. And here I've got the iPhones and iPods all arranged by age. And over here, here's my MacBook Pro and my ThinkPad, along with my ThinkPad charger. And Rowdy needs to get out. So guys, that's just about it for my room. So I hope you all enjoy this video, and please subscribe to my channel, as well as like and give this video a thumbs up, and maybe share us with a friend. And as always, peace out.